Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear all chat history on Deepseek AI. So, if you have the Deepseek AI on your phone and I want to clear or delete all your chat history, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to the YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, to clear all chat history on the Deepseek AI app, all you just need to do is go ahead, open the Deepseek app and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click on the menu icon at the top left, which is the 2 lines. Then once you click on that, you're probably going to see all your chats here. So if you have multiple chats here, you should see all of them here. Now locate and click on your profile icon at the bottom left. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Deepseek profile page. On the profile page, scroll down and click on delete all chats. Once you click on delete all chat, you should see a pop-up that says delete all chat. Then you need to go ahead, confirm deletion to delete all your chats. Once you click on that, all your chat history will be deleted and you should see deleted successfully. Once you see deleted successfully, then all your chats here will be deleted and the Deepseek app will start taking in new data from your chat henceforth. So that is basically how to delete all chat on Deepseek AI. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.